So, I just got my passport picture taken.
You took it already?
Yeah. My wig is like falling off my head, but it actually came out cute. So, we're still here at CVS. And she said it'll be ready in minutes.
This is yours and I got an attitude.
Now you got an attitude. But, you know, the day is just going, it's going good. I'm supposed to get my hair done. So I'm just banking that I get my hair done because this wig is not it. It's like, I'm going blonde, so hopefully it works out. I'm about to get my hair done. I colored these bundles myself. They're snob hair, 3 processes.
You did really good.
I'm a beast or whatever. My sister taught me. Excuse my nappy edges. We gonna press these back or whatever.
Oh, you know we gonna them up.
Snatched. But yeah, we're gonna do. What are we gonna do, Brittany? What you got in store first?
We are going to do a frontal sew-in, half up, half down, 28 inches, blonde, volumized, chopped, layered, all of that. Just
body. Va boom.
That's the word. Body.
Body. BAWDY.
Yes.
Body.
Body.
Not body. Body.
Body.
I'm so happy to get my hair done. I've been crusty since Christmas, and it's the 7th. I still don't know how to press my own hair. I'm 20 years old, and I still don't know how to press my own hair.
I didn't know how to press hair until I was 24.
Okay, I don't feel that bad then.
And I was
Your own hair?
Nah, I still don't press my own hair, but I can't press hair in general, like even on other people until I was like 24.
Like when I press my hair, it just looked like a really good blow dry, like a bomb blow dry. Not even like, oh, I see you pressed it. It looks like, oh, you did a good blow dry. No, but my hair was kind of cute on Christmas, but I looked 13, 12, you know. Yeah.
You look 13, 12 anyway.
I look like an adult. Yeah, my birthday coming up. My birthday is in 13 days.
Tell them how old you're turning.
I'm turning 21.
Okay.
And I don't have nothing planned. But the only thing is...
She thinks she'll got nothing planned.
So I'm supposed to be... Oh, passport update. I still didn't get it. So I'm supposed to leave on the 13th. It's now the 7th. And when you go to China, you have to get a visa. And when you get a visa, they have to send it to China, stamp it, and send it back. So... we gotta try and make that happen in 6 days or less. And I leave on a Sunday, not a Monday. So
how long is that flight?
21 hours, 22 hours.
Oh,
I'm gonna be knocked. Oh my god. And I don't even. Hey.
Hey, T, this is Diamond T.
Hi. I'm doing a YouTube vlog.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
But I'm almost done. So. I mean, if you didn't want to be in it, you're welcome to be in it. You're welcome to be in it, you know. Tell the people, hey.
Hi. Yeah,
but yeah, so hopefully I make it. If not, I'm gonna have to move my flight back or just not go. But I get back the day before my birthday.
Well,
wait, are we sewing in already?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I sew in 2 bundles and then I do your frontal because that'll let me know where my placement is. But I always start with sewing at least 2 bundles first. Makes the process go faster.
You learn something new every day.
Oh, you always gonna put your frontal on first?
Well, I actually didn't know. I didn't know it was gonna get started right away. I took off my lashes, but we're laying this frontal. It's blonde. You see me? We're about to do the melting process. My brows are messed up. I look so tired.
Oh, yeah? Or the game is sold, not told.
Yeah, I can't show y'all this part.
You tricked him on that one, right?
Huh?
I said you tricked him on that one, right?
Got him. So I need some earrings.
Why you got an earrings, Diamond?
Because surprisingly for my name to be Diamond, I don't keep up with jewelry. Ooh, yes. Baby hairs on there. Ooh. Birthday hair. My eyes are watering from putting on my lashes.
So tell me that this means that we have to go bigger for your birthday.
Ooh, we got something up our sleeve for my birthday.
Huh?
Talking to the people.
Sorry. Girl, I just went the fuck off on your hair.
Girl. Stiff wear.
You love it.
I love it.
You like a Barbie doll.
The Bratz doll. Let's look up. Pretty me with all my shenanigans, guys. I love big hair. Love, love, love big hair.